Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about the top 8 wonderful cure of pineapple you never know. Let's get started. This popular fruit is packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and other helpful compounds, such as enzymes that can fight inflammation and disease. Pineapple and its compounds have been linked to many health benefits, including aiding digestion, boosting immunity, and speeding up recovery from surgery, among others. Number 1. Loaded with nutrients. Pineapples are low in calories but have an incredibly impressive nutrient profile. Calories, fat, protein, carbs, fiber, vitamin C, manganese, vitamin B6, copper, thiamine, folate, potassium, magnesium, niacin, pantothenic acid, riboflavin, iron, vitamins A and K, phosphorus, zinc and calcium. Number 2. Contains disease-fighting antioxidants. Pineapples are a good source of antioxidants, which may reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Many of the antioxidants in pineapple are bound, so they may have longer-lasting effects. Number 3. Its enzymes can ease digestion. Pineapples contain bromelain, a group of digestive enzymes that breaks down proteins. This may aid digestion, especially in those with pancreatic insufficiency. Number 4. May ease symptoms of arthritis. Since pineapples contain bromelain, which has anti-inflammatory properties, it's commonly thought that they may provide pain relief for those with inflammatory arthritis. In fact, research from as early as the 1960s shows that broms to relieve symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis, a type of arthritis that involves inflammation of the joints. Number 5. May speed recovery after surgery or strenuous exercise. Eating pineapples may reduce the time it takes to recover from surgery or exercise. The bromelain in pineapples may reduce the inflammation, swelling, bruising and pain that occurs after surgery. Number 6. May boost immunity and suppress inflammation. Pineapples have been a part of traditional medicine for centuries. They contain a wide variety of vitamins, minerals, and enzymes like bromelain that may collectively boost immunity and suppress inflammation. Pineapples are sweet, convenient, and easy to incorporate into your diet. They are very affordable and available year-round in many markets, as they can be purchased fresh, canned or frozen. You can enjoy them on their own or in smoothies, salads, or on homemade pizzas. Thanks for watching. For prompt update and more videos on health and wellness, like and subscribe to my channel.